Welcome to our channel and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're bringing you the full detailed look at the all-new 2025 Toyota minivan. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a family-focused buyer looking for space, comfort, and smart features, this is one model you'll want to explore from start to finish. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Toyota minivan showcases a sleek, modern look with a bolder front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body. The clean lines and refined curves give it a fresh yet sophisticated appeal, perfect for urban driving and long road trips alike. With new alloy wheel designs and updated rear styling, the van now feels more premium than ever before. Moving on to the performance, Toyota offers multiple engine options including a fuel-efficient hybrid variant, giving you power and mileage in one package. Whether you're cruising in the city or going for a highway drive, the ride quality remains smooth and stable. The new suspension setup improves comfort, and the steering feels light but responsive. Toyota has also focused on reducing cabin noise, offering a much quieter ride experience than previous models. Now let's explore the cabin space. The 2025 minivan is all about versatility. With 3 rows of seating, it can accommodate up to 8 passengers comfortably. The seats are well cushioned, with options for captain chairs in the second row, and there's generous legroom in all areas. The flat folding third row seats offer incredible flexibility, transforming your space into a cargo hauler in seconds. Materials used inside have been upgraded for a more upscale feel, including soft touch surfaces, premium stitching, and ambient lighting. Technology is a strong point in this model. You get a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports. Voice control is more advanced now, and the infotainment layout is very user-friendly. Higher trims even offer a rear entertainment system to keep your passengers engaged on long drives. The digital instrument cluster provides key driving information in a clean and customizable format. Safety, as always with Toyota, is a top priority. The 2025 minivan comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features are designed to give you confidence and peace of mind behind the wheel. In terms of utility, there's no shortage of clever storage spaces throughout the cabin: under-seat trays, deep center consoles, and smart cup holder designs. The hands-free power sliding doors and liftgate make loading and unloading easy, even when your hands are full. Overall, the 2025 Toyota minivan is a perfect blend of family-friendly practicality, modern design, advanced tech, and Toyota's trusted reliability. Whether you're taking the kids to school, going on a road trip, or just running errands, this van is built to make life easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more automotive reviews, and leave a comment below telling us what feature you loved the most.